Alright, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video we will be talking about a very good airdrop that is coming into the market, and right now it's cooking very hot. But before that, let's understand few statistics, few research and understanding of the different projects that are residing into the same category. So this is the Hyperliquid platform that you already aware of it. If you have not aware of it, this is a decentralized trading platform just like centralized exchanges. We have Binance, Bybit and different centralized exchanges. But this platform gives you experience of centralized exchanges with the security of decentralized exchange. So basically you can just connect your wallet and you can do all the tradings over here in a very decentralized way. So why this matters? Because the objective of the crypto, objective of the Web3 ecosystem is basically removal of middleman, making transparent system with something a kind of in a decentralized manner where third party don't control the ecosystem. So Hyperliquid is actually serving the same purpose. So if you are not at this platform, I will put the referral link into the description box of this video. Just go and sign up to the Hyperliquid because this platform provides all the facilities. Like you can buy tokens in spot here. Like if you click here, you can see all the spot tokens, you can see all the perp tokens, HIP3 trending, everything is here. And if I talk about the volume is insane. So this is the crypto market cap, and here you can see the decentralized exchange derivative market. And right now the trading volume, the open interest right now is on the Hyperliquid, which is around $7 billion of open interest. That means $7 billion of long and shorts are open right now. So this is the statistics, and Hyperliquid is actually leading this whole narrative of the decentralized perp trading. But Aster is just behind. Aster is a platform which is on BNB, Binance Chain, supported by CZ, and the third platform, which is Lighter. This is the new platform, and the most important thing that we will discuss about the Lighter in this video, and we will discuss the something which is actually airdrop of the Lighter in this video. But before that, one thing related to Hyperliquid which is very important. So right now the price of the Hyperliquid is actually going down. So there is a news for the Hyperliquid, that is the Hyperliquid is proposes 37 million of token burn, and this is a huge change. If you see, so this is news that Hyperliquid targets 13% of supply cut with 37 million Hyperliquid burn to revive token price. So basically price is going down and they are trying to control it, because this is a very cult project into the crypto for this season, at least because this is a new narrative. So Hyperliquid price, they want to just control it because it's falling very sharp. As you can see, as a strong project, you don't expect this much down, which is almost 50 to 55% down from all-time high. So this is one thing. And the second thing is that I would like to consider here is they just wanted to cut 37 million of HYPE tokens. So this is for the Hyperliquid, but into the same category. This is for the Hyperliquid, but let's talk about the airdrop. The airdrop is about Lighter. So just to give you context, this is Hyperliquid, and the same platform, this is Aster, where you can actually do trading of POP into the decentralized manner. Then third platform is the Lighter. This is almost same. You can do same thing. You can buy in spot, you can buy in POP, everything you can do it, futures, cross, isolated margin, options, TWAP. So these are the strategies here, like stop market, stop limit, take profit, TWAP, scale, everything is here, as we have on a different exchanges, whether it is centralized or decentralized. You can open orders, you can have assets and everything. They are also running an airdrop platform, and it's very simple. So this is CryptoRank website where they have mentioned. So it is a very simple way to farm the airdrop. Basically you have to build the volume, you have to build the trading volume, and based on that they will be giving some points, and they will create the leaderboard based on the points, and they will reward you through the Lighter related token. And this project is actually backed by a lot of big like Dragonfly, and then Lightspeed, and three more. We have very good investors behind it for this Robinhood as well behind it, because everyone knows that the decentralized perp is the future, and Hyperliquid success actually sparked this into the market, that people are creating the decentralized perp right now. So Lighter is sitting at 3, but if you see this based on the trading volume in 24 hours, we have Lighter at 2nd place and Hyperliquid is at 3rd. And the important part is Hyperliquid has 248 number of markets, number of tokens, 245 Aster. But with Lighter has just 99 tokens available, and they have insane amount of volume, which is 6 billion amount of volume. You could see the insanity of the Lighter platform right now. So this is going to be a huge airdrop. So even if you trade somewhere else, I think for the some time, for like we have a time limit for the airdrop, which is 31st of December 2025. You should farm this Lighter airdrop. Even you get like $500, $200, $100, doesn't matter. So wherever you trade, just trade some amount, build some trading volume over Lighter as well. So because you should be considered for that. So these are very simple steps that are written over here. So go to the website, connect your wallet, click create account, make some deposit. So you have to deposit only USDC. This is very important step. You have to deposit USDC, and the important part is choose the correct network. So right now, if Base, then you have to deposit on the Base only, because I did the mistake. I selected USDC, I selected the right network, but unfortunately I have transferred USDT and they went like, they didn't return that. So that's why just keep attention on this part as well. So just deposit USDC only, and then trade actively to earn points. So they will have a leaderboard maybe and everything. So basically I will be sharing the referral link of this Lighter platform, because ultimately that also will help me to get something out of this video. So I will be sharing the referral link of the Lighter platform. Just click on that link and sign up through it. By the way, if it asks for the referral code, then just put capital letters TAHIR. My name Tahir, capital letter TAHIR. So I will be sharing that referral link as well into this video. So if you are trading anywhere, I think you should consider this Lighter, because this is very new and hot in the market. So this is the third after the Hyperliquid, Aster, and this is third Lighter. And most probably, like based on this this thing, they have written like by the 31st of December, that means this year only, hopefully we will see in 2026 new token for the Lighter, and they will be airdropping the tokens. So reward type is points and status is confirmed. Rewarded is not decided because the token launch is not yet decided. So I think you should farm this Lighter airdrop, and you know it that decentralized perp is the future, and Lighter is doing insane amount of volume right now. Insane amount of volume, $6 billion of volume into the perp DEX when the market is bleeding, when the market is very slow, and they are doing great amount of volume, trading volume. This is a good airdrop, I think. So you should just check it out, how to farm this Lighter airdrop. And just if you have any question related to airdrop, related to anything, just write it down into the comment section so that I can create the video for that. So that's all about today's video. See you into the next video. Thank you.